Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the charging speed test on the Oneplus Nord device after the recent software update. Yes, this is a question which has been asked by a couple of subscribers on the Oneplus Nord 2. Can you please make a video on this Oneplus Nord 2 regarding the charging speed or how is the charging speed after the recent software update? So let's see friends how fast the phone can actually get charged. So because before the software update, the phone can charge within 30 minutes of time. Yes, within 30 minutes, this phone can actually reach 100%. Let's see right now after the software update whether the phone can actually reach that kind of high charging speeds or not. This is a default charger which I'll be using with the phone right now. VAP charge 65 watts, as you can see exactly. Let's see friends what is the temperatures right now in the beginning of the testing. Beginning of the testing is pretty normal, as you can see. It's very cool, as you can 26 degrees only. My room temperature is pretty low. It's only 30 degrees. My room temperature, as you can see friends clearly, it's very low right now, the temperature of the phone. As you can see clearly, it's not that high at all. 30 degrees only at this moment. 30 degrees, not bad. So let's start the test by connecting the cable. As you can see friends, right now the stopwatch has been started successfully, and you can see the battery percentage right now, it's 1% exactly. So 1% in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So when I've started the charging, as you can see here, the only thing is that as soon as you connect the charger, when the phone is in switch off mode, the phone will get switch on automatically. So that is the reason I'm trying to do the charging test when the phone is in on mode only. Let's see, starting from 1% only, I did start the test, not from 2 or 3%. So we'll get to know starting from 1% to 100% how much time it's gonna take. So during this process, I'll try to write down for every 10 minutes and 50% battery when it will get charged. I mean how much time it actually takes, and 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Let's see how the phone is actually behaving in this kind of charging patterns. And meanwhile, I'm not using any kind of no live wallpaper, nothing, no background applications, everything is clear, nothing at all. As you can see, even the optimized night charging mode also disabled. Let me show you. Even that also impacts the charging speed. So you should not enable this one when you're trying to do the charging speed. Try to disable this one, only then maybe sometimes the phone will be able to charge faster. So try to disable that. So again, I'll be back after 10 more minutes. Let's see how is the battery in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So right now, as you can see friends, we are getting close to 10 minutes of time exactly. So exactly at 10 minutes, I'll try to turn on the lock screen. Let's see. And during this time, I did not use any kind of phone at all. So phone is completely side only because there is no SIM, there is no Wi-Fi connection. I did not enable anything at this moment. Let's start. Yes, 10 minutes exactly. The battery reached to 44%. Let's consider 44%. So 44% of the battery reached. Let me have to keep it the phone side. And let's check the temperatures. How much is the temperature in this phone? So right now it's of 34 degrees. As you can see, 34.5, not bad, 34.5. I'm getting 34.5 at this moment. And 34.8, and back side 34.6, 34.8. So 34.8 is the highest so far. No, 35.2. So 35.2 is the highest so far the temperature reached in the Oneplus Nord device. So let's try to write down the reading. So 35 degrees. This for the first 10 minutes of continuously charging the device. So 44% did increase, and 35 degrees also it increased. Let's check the right now battery percentage of 49%, as you can see. So any minute the phone can charge to 50%. I just want to write down the exact timing. That is the reason I've thought of giving this screen on. So let's check 49%, 49 and 11 minutes and 20 seconds, 50. As you can see, 11 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's write down the readings. 11 minutes and 20 seconds. The phone reached to 50% exactly this time. So again, I'll be back after 20 minutes of time. As you can see friends, right now the time is about 20 minutes exactly. Let's check the battery percentage, how much it is. 20 minutes, and it charged to 80% exactly. As you can see, for 20 minutes of charging continuously, 80% the phone did increase. Let me have to write down the battery percentage. 80% for 20 minutes of charging. And let's check the temperatures, how much the temperatures of the phone is right now. So right now the phone temperature is of 34.6, not bad. So just only 34.6 at this moment. It's not increasing higher. That's good. And the front side 33.6, 33.8, not bad. So 34 degrees is the highest so far recorded in the Oneplus Nord device. Let me know to write down the readings. 34 degrees. So let's see if in this time whether the phone will be able to get charged below 30 minutes or not. And one more quick note, always try to maintain the low temperatures when you're trying to charge the smartphone, because when the phones are high temperatures, like surrounding temperature is very high, the phone charging will not be happening very faster. Yes, that is one thing which I did observe. sometimes. So try to maintain the surrounding environment very less temperature, maybe close to 30 degrees, but I'm not trying to use no AC, no cooler in my room, just only normal fan. But still I'm trying to mention even this kind of things also will impact the charging speed in some of the phones. Right now it's of 20 minutes and 80% charging, not bad I would say for 20 minutes. So let's see whether the phone will be able to get charged below that 30 minutes mark or not, because previously when I started to use the phone it did charge below 30 minutes. So that is the reason I'm really excited to see. And without Wi-Fi, without SIM card, completely in airplane mode, everything I did keep, only then I am testing this kind of scenario, how faster the phone can actually get charged. So I will be back friends once the phone get close to maybe 99%, then I can start recording the video, then I'll try to display exactly how much time it's overall taking to charge to the 100%. Right now it's off close to I think 85%. So 86%, I think it may get full charge within that 30 minutes of mark, but let's see what will be the time, final time. As you can see friends, right now it's exactly 27 minutes of continuously charging and the battery percentage reached to 99% right now. 27 minutes exactly, as you can see friends. So overall, even after the software update as well, doesn't matter. So the charging speed did not decrease in the Oneplus Nord device at all. So it's kind of same charging speed as before. So that's really good to see this kind of fast charging nowadays. So because nowadays we do rarely find this kind of very fast charging phones which can actually charge within 30 minutes of time in this kind of price range. So that is what I'm trying to compare. So right now I think it's kind of close to 100%. As you can see friends, 100% the phone got charged exactly close to 28 minutes of time. As you can see, 100% completely. So only thing is that the phone doesn't show you the screen on when the phone charges to 100%. That is the problem, you need to keep on checking every time. So that's perfect. As you can see friends, 100% the phone got charged completely. Let me need to write down the final time. So 28 minutes of time. During this process of demonstration, the temperature increased only by 5 degrees. I think 35 degrees is our maximum temperature right now. That's it. That is the maximum temperature recorded. Not bad at all. As you can see friends, keeping the very low temperatures even while charging at higher speeds. Only few phones will be able to do like this in terms of the charging speeds, keeping the very good temperatures when you're trying to charge, and with the high speeds as well. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries regarding this Oneplus Nord 2, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be able to help you out. And don't forget to check the playlist, because before asking the question, try to check the playlist. Playlist will have all the answers, everything, all the answers A to Z, all the topics what are uploaded on this device. You can find everything in this one single playlist. First try to check the playlist. If you cannot find the video, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll be able to make those kind of videos. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick update on the Oneplus Nord 2. Charging speed is not decreased any manner at all, even after the software update. In my experience, in my usage, that is how I did find out. See you in the next video friends, and let me know in the comment section below whether are you facing this kind of issues or not, how much time your phone is taking, because my phone takes about 28 minutes of time. So how much time your phone is taking, let me know in the comment section. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.